Pythonistas. Welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. Today we are going to see regular expressions. So here what they have asked us to do is, in English it's common to use this word while we are just trying to speak, right? So whenever a user is going to give a particular sentence, we are going to say how much times the word is used in that particular sentence. The only thing we need to do also is here, if you can see in this word, is a verb, so this is counted as one. But if you see in this yummy, is there, but it is not a single word. So we need to also consider that as zero because it is not counted as So we need to just make it as a standalone word to consider itself as a particular program. Okay, so it is very easy, friends. I assure you, it will be very easy for you. So in a structure called as um.py, we should start doing. Okay, so first let me just clear the program and then come from the back. Okay, inside the zoom.py, I am going to just copy paste this particular part because it will be easy for me to understand. Yeah, this is the format and we are going to write our code in this count.s. So for finding a particular string, we can just use find all in the regular expression. So re dot find all, what am I going to find? I'm going to find the word called as so it is a real word, so But here, what is the thing is, it should be a word. It should not be something as a part of a word. So we are going to use hash b, which is nothing but it should be a word, right? Hash b is nothing but it will be ensuring that it is a particular word and not a part of a particular word. Okay. So I'm just writing using this hash b, and then I'll just write S. S is our regular expressions which we are going to do, and it cannot be in uppercase or lowercase. Both is important. So I will just write re dot ignore case. So all these things you will be understanding if you are just going through the Melon's video because he has explained these hash b functionality and also this ignore case functionality. Okay, so we are just ignoring the case in this particular scenario. Okay, now I will just return the length of this re dot search, right? So we can just write here itself return len of this re dot regular expression because finding all will just find all the expressions and I'm returning the number of words alone. Okay, let me just run the code and see python .py and the text. Yes, which I has. Okay, it has written 2. Perfect. It's working fine now. Now, what is the next thing is we also need to do the test conditions for this particular program. It is very easy. For that, we need to create the Python file first. Sorry, code test dot py. Yeah. Now I'm just importing from import. What is our code name? That is file name count. Okay, now I'm going to test all the conditions. Def underscore count assert count, and then inside the brackets something will be there inside double quotes, and then I'm just writing this because I need to know how much count is going to be there. So copy, I'll paste it maybe 4 to 5 times. And here we can check what are all the test conditions for us. Run the program and then type in and it should return 1. Then type this one. Sorry, this comma will not be coming. This should return 0 because it is not a single word fully. Okay, sorry. It is a word, I guess, because only symbols are there, correct? So it should return 1. It's a word here. This is the use of this particular B function. Okay. Then this also should return 1, I guess. Done 1. This should return 2. And we can add the yummy one. This should basically return 0. Okay, these are my test conditions. Now we can just try to use the check CS50 and find whether everything is working correct. This is very simple program, guys. It is just a matter of seconds to write this particular program. Yeah, everything is green, and that's it for today, friends. Don't forget to submit, and bye bye.